ये जो आप बिल ला रहे हैं, आप देश को बांटने का काम कर रहे हैं, जोड़ने का काम नहीं कर रहे हैं। आप दुश्मन हैं मुसलमानों के, उसका सबूत ये बिल है। थैंक यू सर। सर, आई हैव गिवन अ नोटिस अंडर रूल 72 टू अपोज द वक्फ amendment bill. Sir, I oppose the introduction of the bill under Rule 72(2) on the grounds that this House does not have the competence to make these amendments. This bill patently violates the principles provided in Article 14, 15 and 25. Sir, it is both discriminatory, arbitrary. It is a grave attack on the basic structure of the Constitution as it violates the principle of judicial independence, separation of powers. Sir, one thing has to be understood, that the Waqf management of a property is an essential religious practice for a Muslim. By denying legal recognition to Waqf al-Awlad under Clause 4 and Waqf by user under Section 3(r)(1), government has sought to severely restrict how Muslims can manage their Waqf property. Sir, in fact, Hindu endowment boards, I challenge, Hindu endowment boards are recognized even by usage and custom. Here you are asking for documentation. No existing law, whether non-religious or personal, limits the right of a person to will their property or dispose it. But what you're doing over here, a Hindu can give through will his complete property to his daughter or son. I as a Muslim cannot do, I can only give 1/3. But what you're doing, I can gift, but I cannot give it in the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now you are stopping me from praying. Now what you're doing, you're restraining Waqf al-Awlad. That is not only discriminatory and violating Article 25, sir. There is no limit on anyone to will their property dispose of. Sir, to insist that a person has practiced Islam for 5 years, sir, एक 2 मिनट दिए, सबको दिया आप। अगर कल कोई आके बोलेगा कि नहीं मैं 5 साल से इस्लाम प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहा हूं, कौन डिसाइड करेगा सर? और एक न्यू कन्वर्ट है, does he has to wait for 5 years to give his property to Waqf? Isn't that violation of right to freedom of religion? Sir, another point, sir. Now, no such provision exists for Hindu endowment or Sikh Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee. Now, irony of the amendment, sir, is that non-Muslims can become member of CWC, SWB, but he cannot dedicate Waqf. Arbitrariness. Why is arbitrariness? Sir, existing law protected the status of registered Waqf properties. You have replaced that. By empowering collector to determine title, you are violating principle of rights of justice, that one may not be a judge in their own cause. Section 61. If DOM says to Mutawalli, make this masjid as a government property, if does not listen, punishable offense. This is against separation of powers, part of which is basic structure. This bill excludes tribunal decisions from being final. If collector has been replaced by tribunal, and who's going to sit in the tribunal? A retired government judge and a retired government employee. How can the nominee be a part of this composition, sir? In our
okay. आप डिटेल में बोल देना ऑफिसर।
सर मैं खत्म कर रहा हूं। सेकेंडरी लेवल ऑफिसर्स कैन बी अपॉइंटेड टेक्निकल मेंबर्स। 83 states that joint secretary added tribunal. Waqf properties, sir, are not public properties. By removing Waqf by user, this government wants to take over dargah, masjid and Waqf properties. Sir, take this example of 107. You have made it more difficult to be removed. Encroachment happens. Section 37 removes protection to Waqf properties. Section 40 prejudicial amendments. And the government is, sir, government बोल रही है, सर मैं खत्म कर रहा हूं सर, आधा मिनट। गवर्नमेंट कह रहे हैं कि हम महिलाओं को दे रहे हैं। मुझे यकीन है कि आप बिल्किस बानो को और ज़किया जाफरी को मेंबर बनाएंगे, मुझे यकीन है। मैं आपसे जानना चाह रहा हूं सर कि ये जो आप बिल ला रहे हैं, आप देश को बांटने का काम कर रहे हैं, जोड़ने का काम नहीं कर रहे हैं। आप दुश्मन हैं मुसलमानों के, उसका सबूत ये बिल है। थैंक यू सर।